Are you in 204? You're in 202, aren't you?
Wow. This elevator's just like I remember it when I rode it 15 years ago. This is a childhood elevator of mine at the Wilmette Community Center. Alright, look at that. It's a Dover Impulse. I haven't been on this thing in well over 15 years. That's crazy. Anyway, let's take it on a ride. I used to have so many activities in this building in kindergarten. I had summer camp in this building. It's crazy. I totally forgot about all those memories. Now it's hitting like a brick. I literally have memories of riding in this elevator. It's crazy.